Mike again from Steam Clean Marketing. So I want to show you something. All right, I just bought this vehicle, brand new. Well, brand new to me. It's got 90,000 miles on it. Okay, there's nothing in it as of yet. I'm about to go put my truck mount in it, but I wanted to talk to you guys about something. This channel is about carpet cleaning and how to successfully launch a carpet cleaning company, one, without going bankrupt, or two, being able to get customers. So one of the first decisions that you need to make is getting a reliable vehicle. Okay, so you're either making payments or you're making repairs. When you mount your equipment, we're only going to talk about truck mounts only. Okay, because portables, get your money, guys. Okay, so when you mount your equipment in here, it costs a lot of money to mount it, maybe $1,000 or more. So what I need you to do and need you to understand is if this vehicle stops working for any reason, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. You either got to get a new vehicle or wait for it to get repaired. Then you have to tow it. And so getting that equipment out, so say the van you buy is a dud, getting that equipment out and then putting it into another truck, it can put you out of business. Okay, so make sure the vehicle you get is a vehicle that you want. Also, get a partition. Okay, this one came with a partition. I really like it. This is a Chevy Express. Very clean on the inside. My payments are reasonable. Okay, so you want to incorporate that as your fixed cost. Like my fixed cost is my payment, my insurance, which isn't very much in the grand scheme of things. You want to see how many jobs you could. It doesn't take too many jobs to pay the bank, to pay the payment on the van. Okay. My next video, or maybe actually, what I'm going to include in this video is going to be the itemized list of all the things that you need, generally speaking, to set up your truck-mounted carpet cleaning business. Okay? So make sure you get the right vehicle. Make sure the tires are LT tires. Okay? You don't want P-rated tires. The LT's for light-duty truck. Okay? That's what's going to support your truck mount. You don't want P's for passenger. You don't want that. Okay? You can't have one of those little itty-bitty vans either. You got to have at least a medium-sized cargo van. Okay? Once again, this will save you from getting hit in the head with a wand or something like that. Okay? You want to rip out the flooring because you don't want any like carpeted area or anything back there getting wet. It's just going to create a mess. I make sure that the air conditioning works. All the instruments up here work. You want to be able to make sure you plug in your phone. Get a mount. JB Weld. JB Weld and a $3 magnet will hold your phone right there for you. That's important. Okay? Make sure that the seatbelts work and all that stuff. The windows roll down. Because you don't want your phone overheating in the van and you can't find directions to the next job. Like those are some of the things that you have to be concerned about. Locking doors, because you might have a backpack with maybe like a laptop or something in it. So that's it. Get a good, decent van that works and go from there. So actually, this is just going to be one video. Right now, I'm going to go pick up my truck mount, and we're going to strap it down, and then we're going to mount it in this vehicle, and then along with the hose reel. Oh, look, there's one of my other carpet cleaning trucks. Huh. Nice. Yep. Pretty cool. Yep. So what we're doing, I want to show you, I have no customers. I have no customer database as of right now in this area right here. So I'm going to show you from scratch how to build up this carpet cleaning business. And also let me show you how to transport a truck mount without killing yourself. Okay. So like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot. And Steam Clean. Bye.